Hello, I am Dr. Ayush, and in today's short video, we are going to see about amphotericin B. So this is a vial of liposomal amphotericin B, okay, and 50 mg. Okay, so basically amphotericin B is available in two forms: conventional amphotericin B and liposomal amphotericin B. Liposomal amphotericin B is embedded in the liposomes. The advantage of liposomal amphotericin B is that it is less nephrotoxic, it causes less infusion reactions, and it has a better efficacy. So it is usually used in patients who have AKI or CKD. The dose of liposomal amphotericin B is 3 to 5 mg per kg, and the main indication for this is mucormycosis. So we have a patient here in the ward who has rhinocerebral mucormycosis, for which this injection is going on. So staff, तुम्ही हे amphotericin B कसं डायल्यूट करता हे आम्हाला शॉर्टमध्ये सांगा.
हे 50 mgचा एक वायल आहे. पेशंटला डोस चालू आहे 300 mgचा. तर पर वायलमध्ये मी 5 cc स्टराईल वॉटर टाकेल आणि त्याच्यानंतर ते D5मध्ये 300 mg टाकेल आणि नंतर ते पेशंटला.
So according to the patient's weight, patient needs 300 mg of amphotericin B. So we are going to dilute it first with sterile water and then in the D5. So these are the 6 vials which will be given to the patients, and हे तुम्ही सगळं किती वेळात देता?
टोटल टायमिंग ना 2 to 4 hours आपण देतो.
So usually this amphotericin B should be given slowly to avoid any infusion reactions. The infusion reactions are more common with conventional amphotericin B than with liposomal amphotericin B. आणि हे काय आहे?
हे त्याचं कवरअप आहे, कारण ते लाईट प्रोटेक्शन असतं ना, फोटो म्हणून आपण ते कवर करून मग देतो पेशंट.
So usually amphotericin B, conventional amphotericin B it gets degraded by light. It has to be covered, but liposomal amphotericin B is stable that way in the light, so it does not always require the cover. Okay, thank you.